Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from RustPaperScissors, and I'm here today to do a flip through. This is probably the last Halloween journal I'm going to make this year. I call it Bone Collector. It's a repurposed Reader's Digest book. It's covered in the sticky backed velvet. It has some ribbon on the spine, and then the back is plain. It has a Bone Collector tassel. And I love this. I make these I get the little skeletons from the Dollar Tree, and then I dismember them and I make a little tassel. And then this is a digital print on some corrugated cardboard and with some ribbon twist paper. It also has a bookmark with skulls on it. And then the closure is a bulldog clip. And then it also has a skull on there. And then it has a book plate that says, "Open if you dare." That's something you could change that if you wanted to put like the name of your journal or what you wanted to call it. But I'm calling this one the Bone Collector. And then it is one signature. And this is the look from the side. It has a little vial of bone dust. It has a little like a little tarot card, and then it's got some witch's crystals, a little vial of bones, and so let's go inside. I'm going to take this off so it doesn't kind of get in our way. The inside is just a library card holder with a blank library card. This journal is basically a blank journal. I like to make them that way so the person who gets it can take it and really make it their own. A lot of the ephemera is removable, so things you could change the plate where they're placed and that type of thing. So I just like for you to be able to make it yours. This is the signature cover, and it's just an envelope that I made. And then it says, "Open if you dare." It's empty inside, but it's a little envelope that you can put your Halloween memorabilia in.
Yeah.
And so that's that. And then I just clip it on here with a little little bulldog clip. And then this is the inside of the signature. And this is a belly band. I like to make them. I use the rusted ribbon crimps to hold the ribbon. And then this is just a little tag that I made, and it's a little wobble sticker on there. And so that goes in there. This is the witch's crystal that's on the signature. And then the pages, I did some stamping in these. This is just a little skull and crossbones. This is a little fingerprint. And then this is a tag that I made from the Dollar Tree, a little chalkboard tag. And then the back is just a little digital print. And then, like I say, most of the pages are blank. I'll try and go quickly. This is just a little inventory list. Some dictionary paper. This is just some blank paper, and this is that little tarot card on the side there with the little cards on the back. And then this is just some graph paper, some ledger paper. This is, I believe, from the 1950s. This is just a little blank tarot card, and then these were just some digital skeletons. Prints, and then some just copy paper, ledger paper. This is some seismic paper that I was gifted. This is the center of the signature, and it's just an envelope, and I have on there Dracula, and then inside is just two little tags that I made. Like maybe an experiment that the witch has done. And those are in there. Get them in there. Okay. And then that's just the vial of the bones. And then this is the back of that seismic paper. And then this is just a digital that I made a sticker, and I put experiments up there, and it opens up. Then this is just a little tag that I made from a digital. Some more ledger paper. This little witch, again, from the Dollar Tree. This is a witch's hat, and I just painted it and then added a clip on there. And these are 2 tags that I made, Poison Apple and the Salem Broom Company. And then this is just a little tag that I made, a little gremlin that I digital print. Blank paper, dictionary paper, another stamp, some graphed paper. And then this is just a little digital, the Haunted Mansion. And then this is a little embellishment that I made from the Dollar Tree. It was a little skeleton, and then I added the popsicle stick and then some eyelash trim. And those are a lot of fun to make. I enjoy that. And then these pages are blank. This is the back of the signature. It's just some extra pages for you to journal on. And then the back of this one is just another little pocket, and then it's got Poison Apple and All Hallows Eve tag, and it's just a tuck spot. And that is it. So this will be for sale in my Etsy shop. It's called The Bone Collector, and I do appreciate your time. Thank you very much.